everyone, welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay, and today I'm here with Bunie.
Hi guys, I'm Bunie. We're both Americans, and we're here to help you learn English through real, simple conversation.
Today's topic is a powerful combo: vocabulary, listening, and speaking.
Because honestly, most learners don't have just one problem. It's usually all three at the same time.
You learn vocabulary, but when people speak fast, you can't catch it.
And even if you understand, you still can't say it naturally.
So today, we'll train all three together, like a complete workout. Bunie, how's your day going?
It's good. I woke up a little tired, but after coffee, I feel much better. How about you?
Pretty good. I had a busy morning, but now I'm excited to film this lesson.
Same. I like this topic because it's practical. People always ask, how can I speak better?
Yeah, and my answer is often, let's fix your listening and vocabulary too.
Exactly. Speaking isn't just your mouth, it's your brain and your ears.
Quick question. When you watch English videos, do you usually use subtitles?
I do sometimes, but I try not to depend on them.
Same. Subtitles can help at first, but you need training without them too.
Totally. It's like training wheels. Helpful, but you don't want to use them forever.
Before we jump in, please like this video, subscribe to Mr.Kay English Channel, and turn on notifications.
And comment down below, I'm training all three.
Also, answer this question. Which one is hardest for you? Vocabulary, listening, or speaking?
And tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing your country and city.
Okay, here's the big truth that almost nobody tells you.
If you only memorize vocabulary lists, you might know many words, but you won't be able to hear them in real speech.
And if you only practice speaking, you might speak, but you'll keep repeating the same easy words forever.
So you feel stuck. You're not improving even though you study a lot.
Stay with us until the end because we'll show you a simple routine that turns one new word into something you can recognize in listening and something you can use in speaking fast.
And we'll also show you how to stop freezing when you want to talk.
Step 1. Choose one mini topic and 5 power words.
Step 1 is simple. Choose one mini topic for today.
Not all English, just one small area.
For example, work, coffee shop, travel, daily routine, fitness, shopping.
Today, we'll choose the topic work and communication.
Now choose 5 power words. These are words you will actually use.
Here are our 5 power words for today. Deadline, schedule, update, priority, request.
Notice, these words are common, useful, and appear in real conversations.
And we only choose 5 because your brain can remember 5 easily.
If you choose 50, you will forget 48.
And then you feel sad. We don't want that.
Step 2. Turn vocabulary into chunks. Step 2. Don't learn one word alone. Learn it as a chunk.
A chunk is a short phrase that native speakers really use.
For example, we don't just say deadline, we say meet a deadline.
Or we say a tight schedule.
Let's build chunks for all 5 words. Meet a deadline, my schedule is tight, a quick update, top priority, make a request.
These chunks are like Lego blocks. You can build sentences faster.
And chunks also help your listening because you recognize the phrase, not just the single word.
Exactly. When natives speak, they connect words together. Chunks train your ears.
Step 3. Listening training. Focus on sound and rhythm.
Step 3. Listening first. We will say each chunk naturally.
Your job is to listen and repeat.
Ready? Chunk 1. Meet a deadline.
Meet a deadline.
Chunk 2. My schedule is tight.
My schedule is tight.
Chunk 3. A quick update.
A quick update.
Chunk 4. Top priority.
Top priority.
Chunk 5. Make a request.
Make a request.
Great. Now we put them into short sentences. Listen first.
Sentence 1. I need to meet a deadline.
Sentence 2. Sorry, my schedule is tight today.
Sentence 3. Can you give me a quick update?
Sentence 4. This is my top priority.
Sentence 5. Can I make a request?
When you do this, you're teaching your brain this is what real English sounds like.
And don't worry if you miss some sounds. Missing is normal.
You improve by noticing what you miss.
Step 4. Shadowing. Copy immediately, no thinking.
Step 4 is shadowing.
Shadowing means you repeat right after the speaker.
No translating, no long thinking.
Just copy the sound like an echo.
Let's do it.
I need to meet a deadline.
I need to meet a deadline.
My schedule is tight this week.
My schedule is tight this week.
Here's a quick update.
Here's a quick update.
This is my top priority.
This is my top priority.
Can I make a request?
Can I make a request?
Perfect. Shadowing feels hard, but is powerful.
It trains your mouth and your ear at the same time.
If you do this every day for 5 minutes, your speaking will change.
Step 5. Build speaking with one pattern. No pressure.
Step 5. Speaking practice with one pattern.
A pattern is like a template. You don't need to invent everything.
Pattern 1. I need to.
Let's use it with our chunks.
I need to meet a deadline.
I need to meet a deadline.
I need to adjust my schedule.
I need to adjust my schedule.
I need to send an update.
I need to send an update.
I need to focus on my top priority.
I need to focus on my top priority.
I need to make a request.
I need to make a request.
Great. Now, pattern 2. Can you?
Can you give me a quick update?
Can you help me meet the deadline?
Can you check my schedule?
Can you tell me the top priority?
Can you listen to my request?
Nice! When you use patterns, you speak faster because you're not building from zero.
And you gain confidence because the sentences are correct.
Step 6. Mini listening test. Catch the chunk in real sentences. Step 6. We test your listening.
Don't worry, it's a friendly test.
We will say a sentence once. Your job is to identify the chunk.
Ready?
Sentence 1. We have to meet a deadline by Friday.
What's the chunk?
Meet a deadline.
Yes.
Sentence 2. I can't join the meeting. My schedule is tight.
Chunk?
My schedule is tight.
Good.
Sentence 3. Before we finish, can you give me a quick update?
Chunk?
A quick update.
Exactly.
Sentence 4. Right now, the top priority is customer support.
Chunk?
Top priority.
Great.
Sentence 5. If you need anything, you can make a request.
Chunk?
Make a request.
Perfect.
This is how you train your ears. You listen for chunks, not single words.
And the more you do it, the faster you catch real English.
Step 7. Roleplay. Turn listening into speaking in a real conversation.
Step 7 is role play,
This is where the magic happens.
because now you use vocabulary and speaking like real life.
We'll do a workplace conversation.
I'm the manager, Bunie is the team member.
Let's go.
Hey Bunie, do you have a quick update on a project?
Yes, Kay, here's a quick update. We finished the first part.
Nice. Can we meet the deadline?
I think so, but my schedule is tight this week.
Okay, what's your top priority today?
My top priority is to finish the report.
Great. If you need help, make a request.
Actually, can I make a request?
Sure, go ahead.
Can we move the meeting to tomorrow? My schedule is tight today.
That's fine. Thanks for telling me.
Thank you.
Now we switch roles.
Okay, I'm the manager now. Hey, Kay, can you give me a quick update?
Sure. Here's a quick update. I'm almost done.
Can you meet the deadline?
Yes, I can meet the deadline.
Great. What's your top priority?
My top priority is quality. I want it to be clear and accurate.
Perfect. If you need anything, make a request.
Thanks. I have one request. Can you review it before I send it?
Of course.
Beautiful. In real life, you can copy this structure.
And you can change the topic and words later.
Step 8. The daily 60-second review to lock it in.
Step 8 is how you remember it.
Because without review, your brain forgets.
The good news, review is short.
Do this for 60 seconds every day.
1. Meet a deadline. 2. My schedule is tight. 3. A quick update. 4. Top priority. 5. Make a request.
Then say one sentence for each. I need to meet a deadline. My schedule is tight today. Here's a quick update. This is my top priority. Can I make a request?
That's it. 1 minute.
1 minute a day can change your English.
Now, let's do a longer conversation so you can hear these words in a natural flow.
This part is perfect for listening and shadowing.
Imagine we're coworkers. We're talking about tasks, time, and communication.
And we're going to repeat some phrases because repetition helps you learn.
Okay, scene starts now.
Hey, Kay, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I want to talk about the project timeline.
Okay, are we still on track?
Mostly yes, but I'm a little worried about the deadline.
Which deadline?
The deadline for the client presentation. It's next Friday.
Right, that one is important. Do you think we can meet the deadline?
I think we can, but we need to be careful. My schedule is tight this week.
Same, my schedule is tight too. I have meetings almost every day.
Yeah, and when the schedule's tight, small problems can become big problems.
True. So what do you need from me?
First, I want a quick update from you. Where are you with the slides?
Good question. Here's a quick update. I finished the outline and I wrote the introduction.
That's good progress.
Thanks. What about you?
My part is the data section. I'm organizing the charts and the numbers.
Nice. Is anything blocking you?
Not exactly, but I need time to check everything carefully.
Quality is important.
Yes, actually, quality is my top priority too.
I agree, but we also need to finish on time.
Exactly. So we need a balance, quality and speed.
Right. Maybe we should set a mini deadline before the real deadline.
That's smart. If we set a mini deadline, we can catch problems earlier.
For example, we can finish a first draft by Tuesday.
Tuesday sounds good.
Then we can review on Wednesday.
And adjust on Thursday.
Perfect. Then on Friday, we're ready.
Great plan, but can I make a request?
Of course. What's your request?
Can we shorten the meeting today? My schedule is tight, and I have another call in 30 minutes.
Yes, we can shorten it. Let's focus on the top priority items.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
No problem. Another question. Do you feel stressed?
A little, but not too much. I just want to meet the deadline.
Same. When I have a deadline, I feel pressure.
What do you do when you feel pressure?
I break the task into small steps. It makes it easier.
That's good advice.
Also, I communicate early. If there's a problem, I give an update.
Yeah, silence is dangerous.
Exactly. If you don't update your team, they don't know what's happening.
And then they make wrong plans.
Right. So the habit is quick updates, clear priorities, and realistic schedules.
I like that. Quick updates, clear priorities, and realistic schedules.
Repeat it again.
Quick updates, clear priorities, and realistic schedules.
Nice. That's a great mini slogan.
Kay, can I ask something else?
Sure.
What do you decide your top priority when you have many tasks?
Good question. I ask myself, what task has the biggest impact?
Biggest impact.
And I ask, what task has the closest deadline?
Closest deadline.
Usually, impact and deadline help me choose.
That makes sense.
Also, I try not to do too many things at once.
Yeah, multitasking looks cool, but it's not always effective.
Exactly. Sometimes focusing on one priority is faster.
Okay, I'll do that today. My top priority is the data section.
Perfect. And my top priority is finishing the story part of the presentation.
Great. Can we do another quick update tomorrow morning?
Yes, let's do it. 10 minutes only.
Perfect. That works with my schedule.
Awesome.
Before I go, I want to practice some English with these words.
Great idea. Let's practice.
Okay, I need to meet a deadline.
Good.
I need to meet a deadline.
Nice.
Here's a quick update.
Good natural sound.
This is my top priority.
Great.
Can I make a request?
Perfect.
Now I want to make longer sentences.
Go for it.
I need to meet the deadline, so I'm focusing on my top priority.
Excellent.
My schedule is tight, but I can give you a quick update later.
Great sentence.
Can I make a request? Can we move the meeting to tomorrow?
Perfect. That's real English.
Thanks. I feel more confident.
And you should. This is the method. Vocabulary plus listening plus speaking together.
Kay, what should learners do if they feel shy speaking?
I would say start small. Use patterns.
Like, I need to.
Exactly. Or, can you?
Or, here's a quick update.
Yes. And practice out loud every day.
Even 1 minute.
Even 1 minute.
Okay, I need to go now. My schedule is tight, remember?
Haha, yes, go ahead. Thanks for the update.
No problem. Talk to you tomorrow.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Let's recap today's routine for vocabulary, listening, and speaking. Choose one mini topic and 5 power words. Turn words into chunks. Listen and repeat with rhythm. Shadow right away. Speak with patterns. Do a mini listening test. Role play a real conversation. Review in 60 seconds every day.
If you do this, you won't just study English, you'll build a skill.
And remember, small steps daily beat big steps sometimes. Now, your turn.
Comment your 5 power words for your own topic.
And tell us, are you training vocabulary, listening, or speaking today? Thank you for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice out loud with us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.